Green drenching equals plant therapy. How to grow your own calm in a deep mulch garden. Green drenching? What are you talking about? Plant therapy? I guess I think I'm Dr. Phil. Well, I am a PhD after all. That's post-hole digger to you. One thing I do know, a lot of people are looking for calm, and nature-connected spaces are calming. My garden, it may be chaos, but it's also therapeutic. And sure, the garden does seem like it's chaos. I mean, we got bananas, we got tomatoes, we've got corn, we've got melons, we've got peanuts, we've got root crops, we got vining things. But that's like nature's design. It's in the canopy. You got some things that are growing high, you got some things growing low. And the deep mix mulch, that feeds the soil, and that feeds your plants. It's not messy, it's alive, and that's the point. And you can do this too. You know, I didn't set out to plant a jungle. It just kind of grew on me. I just started planting things that we like to eat. And then I kept planting things we like to eat. And then volunteers came up. And this is what we got. And we just let the garden evolve organically. And with the deep mix mulch, everything thrives. Embrace the jungle. Embrace the biodiversity. Embrace the life in the soil. Too many plants? Nah, it's not crowded. It's just a community. You know, folks will say, you can't crowd them together that close. I'm like, why not? Everything grows really well together. And what I found is the more roots you have down in the ground, the better that life is, especially with the deep mix mulch, everything thrives and it produces well. More plants, more resilience. More resilience, more production. It's a win-win all the way around. I didn't know anything about green drenching. I just came out to the garden because I felt better. But with all this green, it does calm your mind and it reconnects you with the earth. And with all the layers, next thing you know, you just kind of melt into the jungle. All that electronic noise just goes away. And all that digital noise, it just fades away. And we all are digitally fatigued. That screen is on way too much. We're way too connected. Leave that phone in the house. Come out, get some dirt therapy. Put some mulch on your garden. Plant what you like to eat. The volunteers will come up, and pretty quick, you're gonna have a green tapestry that you can just melt into, clear your mind, grow your own calm. And that's green drenching, the plant therapy. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.